I'd like to thank you for coming to this Flag Day. I've been coming for the last 5 or 6 years, and I like to see it keeps getting a bigger turnout. I'd like to introduce the other city council members. We have Council Member Lori Gallion. We have Council Member Ken Brown. And city staff, we have our Assistant City Manager, Day Johan. And also at this time, I would like to thank our Public Works Department for trimming the tree around the flag. It was nice and it helps. So, if I could first up have General Jackson come up. I have a proclamation. It's the 150th anniversary of state parks, which is pretty special, especially when you look around what it's done for Sonoma. Whereas the California Department of Parks and Recreation was established 150 years ago to manage the Yosemite Valley and Mariposa Grove of big trees for public use, resort, and recreation. State Parks has since grown to include 280 parks totaling over 1.5 million acres available for the enjoyment of the people of California and visitors. Whereas California state parks are visited by over 17 million visitors each year. State Parks first acquired the Sonoma Historical Park located in the city of Sonoma as its first park in Sonoma County in 1909. And since that time has added 10 more parks in Sonoma County, which provide the public with not only access to natural beauty, but also opportunities to enjoy the historical and cultural history of California. Therefore, now it be resolved that the City of Sonoma and the Council hereby congratulate California State Parks, its staff, its volunteers, and its partner organizations on reaching the 150th year. Thank you. And also I have a proclamation. I'm making this very short because I know it's getting hot. But I think it is important to recognize that Sonoma, we were the first to have the bear flag here in California. So whereas a revolt took place on June 14, 1846, in which a group of immigrants took over the Pueblo of Sonoma and then created and raised the flag bearing the image of the bear and the phrase California Republic. Thereafter, the flag has been known as the Bear Flag. The men of the revolt have been the Bear Flaggers, and the revolt has been called the Bear Flag Revolt. And at 1 o'clock, I welcome everybody to come over, and we will be doing the rendition of that. Since the establishment in 1875, the native sons of the Golden West and thereafter the native daughters of the Golden West have proudly promoted and symbolized the California Bear Flag. Utilizing funds they raised and $5,000 from the state of California, the native sons of the Golden West secured the services of renowned San Francisco sculptor John McQuarrie to create a bronze sculpture of a bear flagger proudly carrying the bear flag, and that is right behind us. So therefore, on behalf of Tom Rouse, the mayor of Sonoma, who apologizes for not being here but can't give up a Hawaii trip, do hereby proclaim June 14, 2014, Bear Flag Day in the City of Sonoma, and do extend appreciation on behalf of the entire City Council to the native sons and the daughters of the Golden West for their hard work and intensity of spirit in keeping the history of the Bear Flag alive and well, and especially here in Sonoma.